Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the Sveston watch has over 50% charge and is powered on, then enable Bluetooth on your iPhone. Open the Sveston app if installed, otherwise stay in iPhone settings Bluetooth to watch for new devices. This step allows the phone to discover the watch. Once you see the Sveston name, tap it to start pairing. Do this now because discovery windows on the watch can be short, so act quickly and confirm prompts on both devices. Once pairing begins, you will see a numeric code on both the watch and the iPhone. Confirm they match and then accept on each device. Next, grant the app permissions it requests, contacts, notifications, and health access if you want workout and heart rate sync, because without them features won't work correctly. Follow any in-app prompts to complete setup, including firmware updates or logging into a Sveston account. After updates finish, the watch syncs faces and data. Make sure to stay near the phone until that first sync completes. To finish, check the Sveston app and iPhone settings to confirm notifications, call routing, and health data are enabled so everything behaves as expected. If pairing stalls, restart both devices. This clears temporary Bluetooth issues, then try pairing again. If problems persist, unpair an iPhone Bluetooth, reset the watch's network settings or perform a factory reset, and then repair from the start. This resolves most persistent conflicts. Remember, restart first. Reset only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.